Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that how to turn on direct messaging on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Firstly, open the TikTok app. Click on Profile. Click on three lines which appear at right top corner. Click on Settings and Privacy. Now you have to click on Notifications here. In this way you can see here direct messaging. If you turn it on, then you will get direct messages and you will get notification of direct messages in your inbox. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.